Hi everyone, my name is Turia and I have been studying nursing in College Wat Boulogne for 2 years. I would like to present you a website that could be very useful for people who are already studying nursing or for students who are new in this field of study. This website can be useful even for people who are taking drugs. They want to know more about what they are taking. So let's go to www.drugs.com. This website is the largest, most widely visited independent medicines information available on the internet. This website is not an online pharmacy and does not condone the sale of prescription medicines over the internet without a prescription. Drugs.com simply provides a free drug information service to help you better understand how medicines work, their uses, the side effects, and the potential to interact with other medicines. So if you scroll down here, so on the left hand side of the screen, you can see a lot of options. The drugs information, the generic drugs, the drugs by condition, by class, the dosage, the side effects. There's also tools you can click. You can compare drugs. If you have questions, you can ask. You can see the forums, what people write. And there's also medical news, the new drugs applications. And you have here the medical dictionary, the patient care notes, and everything. So let's see an example. At the top on the screen in the middle, you can see the alphabet from A to Z. Let's click on A. If you see, they give you all drugs that start with A. For example, acetaminophen. We will see what this drug is. The acetaminophen, they give you the generic name. And they give you also the brand names. There's a lot of brand names, like the familiar one, Tylenol. If you scroll down, you will read all important information about these drugs, how to take it, when you should take it, or how many doses should a person take it, different ages, what you have to pay attention for, and everything. We also told you before taking this medicine what should you do or what you should not do. For example, for people, like women who are pregnant and everything. And if you scroll more down, you will see all the information, the signs that you have to pay attention for, and everything. So they give you suggestions and the side effect of the drugs and everything. So this website is very useful for nurses, for the students, for even someone who wants to know, someone who is curious, who wants to know what is these drugs that he take and everything. And I hope this video was useful and thank you for watching. Bye.